Guys, how do I get rid of hiccups? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit. Damn it. Yo, how do I get rid of that? It didn't work. Dude. Sure. Yeah, I'll get shit. Shit, man. Help. Some squats. Hold. Help. Salt. Okay, did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Fuck yeah.